Hello. Now we are on question 10 through 13 of the chapter 4 review. Question 10. Write the product of the expression using positive exponents. So product tells us we're doing multiplication. So when we see multiplication, we need to remember multiplication, we need to remember that tells us we're going to add the exponents. So we're adding those exponents together. So remember, two different ways to think about this. So we could write it out as g times g times g times g times g times g times g, 1, 2, 3, 4 times g, right? 8 of them, and then 2 more. 1, 2. And I would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. G to the 10th power. Other way to think about it is just add those exponents together. So add the 8 and the 2 to get an exponent of 10. Remember, our base is g and our exponent is 10. So either way you like to work it out is fine. So work it out whatever way you like to do that. All right, question number 11. So same idea here, except we are finding the quotient, which tells us it's division. Whenever we see division, we're going to subtract the exponents. So again, two ways to work this one out. First way would be to write it all out. So 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. And then on the bottom are 2 7s, 1, 2. And we just cross out 1, 2 of them. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'd get 7 to the 5th power. Other way to think about it is just look at your exponents. So subtracting 7 minus 2 to give us 5. And then our base is 7 and our exponent is 5. Okay, so again, either way, it's fine. Both are going to give you the right answer as long as you do them correctly. All right, question number 12. Similar idea here. Find the value expressed using positive exponents. This one is also division. So two ways to do it. We could write it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then on the bottom, I just have 1 t, so I'm just going to put my t. And we only can cross out one set, so I'm going to have 7 t's left over. So t to the 7th power. Or we can subtract the exponents, 8 minus 1 to get 7, and we're going to get base of t to the 7th power. So same answer, two ways to work it out. All right, 13. Write the product of the expression 6 to the 4th times 6 to the negative 8 using negative exponents. Then write the product using positive exponents. So there's two pieces to this problem. So part 1 is rewrite it with negative exponents. Okay, so we got using negative exponent. So 6 to the 4th, 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, and then 6 to the negative 8. Since it's negative, it's down here on the bottom of the fraction. And then cross them out. And I have 4 left over down on the bottom. So I get 1 over 6 to the 4th power like that. But it said using negative exponents. Is this negative right now? No, it's positive, but we know we could just flip it back to the top to get 6 to the negative 4th. Okay, if we wanted to do that the other way, we would just use our exponents. So our exponents are 4 minus negative 8, which confusingly, right, becomes plus. So we end up, well, we are just adding them together, sorry. Minus 8, which would give us negative 4. Same answer here. Now, part 2 says, then write the product using positive exponents. So now, I'm just rewriting this with our positive exponents, which is really the answer I ended up with at the beginning there. So 1 over 6 to the 4th power. So positive exponent, we had to switch it to a fraction like that. All right, so here are all those problems. So 10, wait, we just did 11, 10, 11, 12, 13. So go ahead and pause the video if you would like to take all those notes. Make sure you got those all dialed in, and you should be good for the test.